Solacaine's Review 2025. Is it the right warehouse management system? Most people get warehouse management software wrong by assuming all WUM solutions are the same. In 2025, Solacaine's focuses on efficiency, accuracy, and real-time visibility for warehouses of all sizes. You won't believe what happens next. It offers inventory tracking, order fulfillment, and reporting in one platform. The system supports barcode scanning, RFID integration, and automated stock updates, reducing human errors and increasing throughput. The surprising truth is that Solacaine also provides analytics to monitor performance, track TPIs, and optimize warehouse layout. Mobile access ensures managers and staff can operate from the floor without delays. Pricing is modular, allowing warehouses to pay for features they actually use. Integration with ERP and e-commerce platforms ensures seamless flow of data across the business. In conclusion, Solacaine's in 2025 is suitable if you need a flexible, scalable warehouse management system that improves accuracy and operational efficiency. For businesses handling high-volume orders or multiple locations, it provides visibility and control to streamline warehouse operations.